Operations management is an essential process that enables organizations to transform resources into added value through strategically designed systems. Its mission is not limited to supervising activities, but also aims to ensure productivity, quality, and sustainability with a focus on innovation and scientific excellence. This field is key for professionals who wish to specialize in the efficient management of processes in highly competitive and globalized environments. The core of operations management lies in the planning, organization, direction, and control of production processes. This involves designing goods and services, managing quality with international standards such as ISO 9001, optimizing location and logistics, and coordinating teams with a strategic vision. Likewise, tools such as Porter's value chain make it possible to identify the activities that generate sustainable competitive advantages, differentiating the company in dynamic and demanding markets. The main applications include the continuous improvement of processes under the Kaizen method, talent-oriented human resources management, and the integration of technologies that enhance flexibility and innovation. This makes it possible not only to respond to the immediate demand of customers, but also to anticipate their needs, ensuring trust and institutional prestige. Among the benefits are cost reduction, full customer satisfaction, and the projection of a solid image capable of competing globally. The key to effective operations management lies in the specialization of professionals capable of making evidence-based strategic decisions, leading responsibly, and consolidating organizational cultures oriented toward quality. With a rigorous and multidisciplinary approach, this area becomes a driver of innovation and leadership, ensuring that organizations achieve outstanding results and remain at the forefront on the international stage.